Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you how you can delete or deactivate your account on TikTok. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch TikTok, okay? And once you launch TikTok, you're going to go onto your profile. Then from your profile, you're going to click on the hamburger menu up here, and then you're going to click on settings and privacy. Once you're in settings and privacy, you're going to click on account, and from account, you're going to find something called deactivate or delete your account. Now click on it, and then as you can see, you can deactivate your account. No one else can see your account, including all content that is restored to it. Once you reactivate your account, you recover all your content anytime. Or you can delete your account permanently, and you have only 30 days to withdraw that request. So this is basically the two options that you have. You can choose or pick whatever one you want to go with. So yeah, this is how basically you can delete or deactivate your account. After you just go in and delete your account permanently, you just can go with any reason and click on continue. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.